We're going to back the train out. Back it out. Whoop, whoop.
You gonna run under the tunnel, Ben?
Oh.
Watch it, watch it. Ben, you gonna run in the tunnel?
This is a dangerous game. Oh, he coming in hard, Daddy. He's coming in hard. He's coming in hard. You better watch out.
He's dodging the ball. There you go.
Oh, he's faking you out. Daddy's gonna pull a hammy. I said Daddy's gonna pull a hammy and or take his head clean off. Whoa! Boom boom! Hop up! Oh, you're okay.
Alright, Daddy gotta go put sex on.
Alright. Say bye-bye.